Hello, I am Mr. Hildebrand, and I'll be teaching your child science this year. I've been teaching at this school since 2005, and I've enjoyed every minute of it. I'm very enthusiastic about science, and I hope your child will enjoy my class and, of course, learn a lot about science. I have my bachelor's degree in physics and a master's in education. This course is designed to provide instruction in the areas of physics, chemistry, and earth science by incorporating demonstrations and hands-on laboratory activities in conjunction with class lectures, discussions, multimedia assignments, and projects. It is my job to teach your child various science concepts which fall into 4 broad categories, including foundations of science, general chemistry, physics, and the planet Earth. I strive to create academic experiences that are memorable and challenge students to think critically about what they observed. It is my job to get all this information into your child's head. The major units include Foundations of Science, that is the scientific method and doing proper measurements. We then will move on to chemistry, general chemistry, including properties of matter, interactions of matter. We will be mixing chemicals in here. The kids like that. Then we move on to forces and energy. For example, how gravity, friction, magnetism, and other forces affect the motion of objects. The final unit is the planet Earth. We will talk about the history of the Earth and various Earth systems. It's my job to get all that information and keep it in your child's head. It is my belief that science should be taught in a hands-on fashion, where students learn by doing and failure and struggling is part of the process. I want my students to enjoy science while developing and enhancing problem-solving skills that may be applied to any problem they might encounter. This class utilizes several strategies to reach your child, including class discussions, class experiments, single-day small group experiments, long-term projects, a debate, a presentation, and more. Each unit culminates with a project that applies their knowledge to accomplish a task. Some of these projects include calculating the speed of objects using stopwatches, motion detectors, and photo gates, building a gravity-powered K'NEX car, building a roller coaster, building a model rocket, exploring forces like gravity, magnets, and friction, insulating a paper building, wiring a 2-room home, simulating a safe bungee jump for a Barbie doll, building a balloon car, and observing and mixing various chemicals, like looking for bubbles, a precipitate, and using various indicators to determine if something is an acid or a base. We will use physical and chemical properties, including flame color, to determine unknown substances. Your child has access to the class website. Students should check regularly, especially when they are absent from class, and take advantage of the resources available to them to get the most out of this course. If your child is absent, he or she must check the class website to see what material was missed because the student is responsible for this content. The website is organized by unit with a brief daily description of classwork, a description of the homework, handouts, and class and student resources to enhance learning, including videos of the lesson, supplemental websites, interactive simulations, and more. If you need to contact me, my email and voicemail extension can be found on the class website. I thank you for your time and look forward to working with you and your child during the school year.